Hi, we are a group which includes Pratishtha, Shreya, and Ivneet. We are going to be talking about educating about the COVID-19 vaccine. One of a few problem statements that we discovered through our research were that people were very less educated about the vaccine, and that was inciting a fear in them of taking it. Which is one of the big problems, as it will will be a hindrance in the process of stopping COVID-19, as well as during the lockdown period. A lot of fake news has traveled, and since people are very opinionated and adamant about their opinions, it is very hard to convince them and change their opinions. We collectively decided to work on these issues to create an outcome.
Then after that, we decided about what will be the user flow. For that, we decided our content. Then we tried to show that three different phases in our website. The first phase will be pre-COVID phase, then the COVID phase, and then post-COVID phase. Then we'll slowly and gradually go. Then we'll eventually show the vaccine, and then we'll share some things about vaccine, some facts, and there will be two portals. One will be the chat portal, and the other one will be the expert portal. People can directly ask their queries in the chat and can get a genuine opinion from other people. Um, we did some empathy maps. Three empathy maps were done according to the different age groups. One was between 18 to 25. The other was millennials, and the third one was old age. So from these empathy maps, we came out to some insight which help us further in our process. Then after that, these empathy maps helped us to make our own USP, build our USP.
So for the USP, after that we had made the empathy maps, we realized that there is nothing unique about the platform. So this is where we decided that we would be doing something that would be created out of experience and would be non-leading and indirect. And we didn't wanted to make things more uncomfortable for the audience that we are targeting on, and therefore we decided that we would lead this in a very indirect way so that the message passes on, but then you also have a trust and a friendly environment around you. And so this is where we then moved on. And then we also thought that uh, making the old age the main target audience, and then we could communicate towards the millennial. We could communicate it through the millennial. So Pratishta will talk about the target audience.
Initially, after extensive discussions, we came up as millennials as our medium to convey our information to others, as millennials know the difference between fake and real news, which would have been a good way for us to target everyone. But as we progressed, we wanted to create an experience for everyone where we could connect with them, uh, and uh, and since this pandemic had an effect on everyone, both mentally, physically, emotionally, uh, to a very large extent, and that's how we decided to expand our target audience to the urban population of India. And combining our USP and our target audience, we came up with our final concept note, which will be explained by Shreya.
So the concept note. we combined everything together, as Pratishta said, and then we thought that our main is to provide something that gives you an experience so that you feel comforted and confident about the vaccine. In the end, we are talking about the vaccine only, but in a very indirect and a non-leading way. And this platform would be a website, and which would include your all three senses, and you could you could sense the comfort around you. So it's a trustworthy and a non-leading platform with age group above 18, and millennial is the medium through to communicate to the older age group of people. So this is what our platform is about. Thank you.